Good evening, YouTube modeling community. This is the Box Top Mauler coming to you on Sunday evening, January 19th. Update on my Ford Thunderbird from Cale, Yarborough, Hardy's 84 Thunderbird, that is. I've got a rolling chassis now. Firewall's just kind of laying here. Engine's in. I had to take the oil breathers and the air cleaner off. Kept breaking it off, putting the wiring. The wiring that comes with is tubes, hollow tubes, and in order to get them to conform, I stripped some wire and stuck some wire inside the tubes in order to conform to the area in the direction I need to go. We'll do a final bending process once I get further along. Chassis is pretty much done. I've still got the front shocks to put in, but slow process as always. If y'all don't know me already, I'm one of the slower processing. I only get to work on these on the weekends and maybe for a couple hours, if that. Got the seat painted. I got to do some detailing on it. But this is the update on AMT Thunderbird, Cale, Yarborough, Hardy's. I want to, as always, thank you for watching. Thank you for my subscribers that are out there. Comments, everything. Just blown away by how many subscribers and stuff that I've got right now. I'm coming up on a year, and I didn't even think I'd ever get over 100, and I'm almost at around about 125. I'm like, wow. But you guys are the greatest, and gals, as well as cats, dogs, ferrets, birds, lizards, anything else out there. This is the Box Top Mauler signing off. Model on, people.